I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your work area and putting on PPE, gloves, eye protection, and long sleeves. Once set, position a 6ft ladder safely. Have a partner hold it. Start at the bottom cluster of dead fronds and make clean cuts at the base with a pruning saw, leaving the trunk intact. Do this to avoid tearing fiber. After each cut, brush away debris so you can see the next attachment point and avoid accidental damage. Once done with initial pruning, focus on the old boots and fibers clinging to the trunk. Use a sharp knife to score vertical seams through dead boots, then pry and peel layers off working from the bottom up. Make shallow, controlled cuts so you remove only dead tissue and avoid the green bud beneath. Take periodic steps back to check trunk symmetry. This maintains a smooth finish without overthinning. If fibers resist, score again rather than yanking to prevent bark damage. To finish, rasp any rough edges and remove loose splinters so water sheds properly. Once done, clean the area and sanitize tools if you saw any discoloration or rot. Make sure the crown remains intact. You want a dome of healthy green fronds. If the trunk shows oozing or the tree resprouts oddly, stop and inspect the crown for wounds or pests. Treat localized issues and consult an arborist if infection or major crown damage is present.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.